Hello viewers, you're welcome to this very important lecture on hydrobiology. Today we are going to look at a subject, a classification of lakes according to their nutrient concentrations. Based on their nutrient concentrations, lakes have been classified into three categories. We have the oligotrophic lakes, the mesotrophic lakes, and the eutrophic lakes. So first we want to look at the oligotrophic lakes. What are oligotrophic lakes? Oligotrophic lakes are lakes that are characterized by the fact that they have low nutrient concentration and they are usually clear and experience low biological productivity because of the absence or the low concentration of nutrients. Now, what is biological productivity? Biological productivity basically refers to the phenomenon in which photosynthetic organisms are able to carry out photosynthesis, or it can also refer to proliferation of photosynthetic organisms. So it means that an oligotrophic lake do not really have organisms such as algae or other photosynthetic organisms, and even if present, they are very minimal because of the low oxygen concentration. And such oligotrophic lakes usually tend to have high oxygen concentration and also tend to support a few aquatic organisms such as freshwater fish. Now, let us look at the characteristics of oligotrophic lakes. First, the nutrient levels. They usually have low nutrient levels. Then, basically, they also exhibit clarity of what the water is usually very clear. They're usually very deep, and they have low primary productivity. And they also have high oxygen concentration, and their aquatic life is very minimal. There's low biodiversity, and their shorelines are usually rocky or sandy. Now let us look at the next type of lake based on nutrient concentration. Those are the mesotrophic lakes. Mesotrophic lakes are lakes that have moderate nutrient concentration, and this actually give them moderate biological productivity, and they are in between the oligotrophic and the eutrophic lakes. They are typically clear but contain submerged aquatic plants, and they support a diverse range of fish and invertebrate species. And they may experience algal blooms, periodical algal blooms. So the mesotrophic lakes are lakes that have moderate nutrient concentration, and they tend to also have moderate amount of algae but may periodically experience algal bloom. Now, basically, these mesotrophic lakes have the following characteristics. First, their nutrient and productivity level. They have moderate amount of nutrients, and they also have moderate primary productivity or moderate biological productivity. And they have a moderately clear water because they have some amount of algae, but not as it is in eutrophic lakes. And they also support a wide range of aquatic life, ranging from aquatic plants and algae and a variety of fishes and other organisms like macroinvertebrates. The oxygen level of the mesotrophic lakes are usually very moderate. The oxygen level is moderate compared to that of the oligotrophic lakes. Then the mesotrophic lakes usually are not murky, and they do not have excessive algal growth. They have moderate transparency compared to the oligotrophic lakes. Now let us look at the mesotrophic lakes. The eutrophic lakes. Eutrophic lakes are bodies of water that are rich in nutrients, particularly nitrogen and phosphorus, which leads to excessive algal bloom and also leads to the growth of other aquatic organisms. So they experience eutrophication. And what is eutrophication? Eutrophication basically means a phenomenon in which a lake or freshwater body, it could be a saltwater body, has high concentration of nutrients, which results in proliferation of algae. So a eutrophic lake usually tends to be greenish in color because of high concentration of algae, high algal population. So basically, the eutrophic lake have the characteristics include high nutrient concentration and low transparency. Then they have high primary productivity, and basically such lakes usually results in high photosynthetic levels. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I am Dr. Gijo. Harry. Please like and share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.